Got a southbound freight here at Lexington going under the signals at the 316, pulling hard. Beautiful day here in central North Carolina. Friendly engineer waving there. I believe I'm gonna have to zoom in and see who that was. Yeah, stacks in the middle there. I'm gonna say this is 13R. I believe, if I remember right, 13R is Allentown, Pennsylvania to Linwood. I think that's where it started at, Allentown. I know it goes to Harrisburg, comes down to Hagerstown, gets to Front Royal, takes the B line over to Manassas, and then comes down to Southern to here. And if I remember right, those stacks come from Norfolk, Virginia. They come out to they go to Crew and they get on the local, Crew, Virginia, that is. And then the local takes them, it used to be 158, 159, that would take them to Linwood, but they abolished those trains and that stuff goes over to Lynchburg, and they pick it up there and bring it south. So this is a bonus video, and if you're unfamiliar with my channel, I usually put out some stuff on Sundays or Mondays, but since the Super Bowl was yesterday, I didn't waste my time on putting anything out because everybody's either drunk or watching the game or both. So tonight will be a, not a special video, but a different type of video. I went to a model train show on Saturday in Thomasville, and I've got some video footage of the vendors, and I'm gonna do a little part at my house tonight, and I'll show you everything I bought. Pretty good sized train. That's an interesting boxcar. Normally there's a DP motor on 13R. I'm gonna say it's long enough. I didn't pay attention to the motors on the head end. I'm gonna assume they're both Group 6s, which is AC motors, and they have a pretty high tonnage rating on this line. I'm thinking 8,000 tons a piece, but I can't remember. It's been a while. It's been a while since I've worked out here. I can't remember all the details like that anymore. If I had my timetable, I could tell you. There it is. There's a DC motor back here. Thank God, my arm's getting tired from holding my phone. Subbing there. Hey, if you like this video, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Check out another video and come back tomorrow and see what I do next.